In this video of Simply News, we're going to be going over all the news you need to know. Let's begin. First thing, there's been leaks about the new DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro, there's been also renders leaked. As you can see, there's this drone. As you can see on the drone, there's a Hasselblad logo. As we can assume that from these renders that got leaked, you need to remember, they got leaked. That means they're not official, but they could be the actual how the drone looks. But as you can see, there's an H in the camera module, and you can see the H is a Hasselblad logo, as it's possible that Hasselblad are making the sensor also for the DJI Mavic 3. Also, it's going to come with two cameras. One of them is a 160mm zoom camera. The other one is a wide 24mm wide lens with an f2.8 to f11. Not only that, you'll be able to charge it with USB-C. As you can see, if we go back here, we can see the price will be at $1,600. The date will be 15th of November. It's going to come with a new smart controller, 15-kilometer range. And not only that, it's going to come with a 15-kilometer range, it's supposed to fly for 46 minutes compared to the last DJI Mavic 2 that could fly for only 30 minutes. And or maybe we say only, but that's a lot of time. And 46 minutes is an astonishing time to fly for. As we can see here, there is even more renders of the new DJI drone. As you can see, there's these 4 renders. And if we go up here, we can see even a photo of it that looks quite real, but also still may be fake. For our next news, we have Microsoft is opening Windows 11 store up to third-party stores. And now what's going to be happening, before they announced that the Amazon store will be part of the Microsoft store. And now they're saying that they're going to start supporting third-party app stores. Not only the Amazon store, they're going to start supporting ones like the Epic Games Store and lots of others. And for our next news, obviously there's the iPhone 13 that got announced. We have a video on our channel going over the iPhone 13 and all the announcements. There was announced the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and Mini that you can go and watch on our channel. There's a video. And also please like and subscribe whilst you're at it, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we come out with new videos. Also, for the next news, we have Intel announcing on their new graphics cards. The new graphics cards, the new Intel Arc graphics cards are supposed to compete with Nvidia and AMD. They've been basically the only competitors in the graphics card market for our computers. And now Intel is saying we're going to compete also, and they are joining the party and competing with AMD and Nvidia. And that's going to be a great thing that's going to move everyone forwards and force everyone to make better and better graphics cards year by year, and possibly even better prices. And this is going to be a great thing for us. Also, there was a leak about the new Intel 12th generation of CPUs, and what we know from these leaks that they may even be better than all of AMD's processors, and that's really good that they're going to start maybe being better than AMD. And now we're at a point that's like AMD, Intel, AMD, Intel, and the competition is on. For our next news, Windows 11 still has the problem that some people can't download it because they don't have TPM 2.0. And that is gonna be a big problem. Anyone that doesn't have a TPM 2.0 wouldn't be able to download the Windows 11 operating system on their computer. And that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we have a new video. Goodbye.